Pure gold kasi hi! Walk.
Wala kayong juice, no?
Hey guys, it's Victory! So, I didn't have an intro for this video. Actually, meron, pero it was supposed to be parang a connected vlog, parang if another errands tapos itong Batangas trip. But I didn't like how it looks like. So, nilipat ko siya sa isa kong video na medyo related siya doon. So, ayun. For today's video, it's gonna be a Batangas trip. It's just a day trip. So, balikan lang kami. And we just celebrated a friend's birthday. So, ayun. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Bye-bye! Hey guys, update. It's Saturday. I wasn't able to film earlier as I said sa last clip na bala ko mag-video sa duty pero hindi na ako nakapag-video because wala rin naman kaming totally ginawa. We just helped sa blood bank section kasi Sarah kami. We helped there lang. Tapos yun na yung mga ginawa namin. So, I already washed up. Ayan, naka-ano na ako, duster. Kaya ito lang yung nakikita nyo. But, ayan, I am gonna be fixing my bag for our beach trip tomorrow. So, we're gonna go to Batangas. Go sa same beach yata. Kung saan kami pumunta nila, Chloe and Echo. I am still editing that video because it's an hour long. And ayoko magtanggal kasi it's parang very wholesome ng video. So, parang nahihirapan ako magtanggal-tanggal ng mga parts. But, I am still editing that part. But now I'm gonna be fixing my bag. So the bag that I chose, it was supposed to be my beach bag, yung Victoria's Secret na beach bag ko. Pero it doesn't have a zipper and ayoko ng ganun. Especially magka-college kami and probably may iwan yung mga gamit namin doon. So safety first. So I'll be using this one from Jerbo. This is actually my duty bag sa Eastab. But since ngayon, medyo maliit yung place namin for bags. Sa second in ko, I've decided to use this one as a beach bag. So, let's fix my beach bag. So, pack with me ang video, ang part na to. So, let's go. I'm gonna go out of the frame and focus on my bag. So, I'm back. I was supposed to do a parang montage lang of me fixing, but I can't find the perfect angle. Ayan. So, this is what I'm gonna be bringing. So, first is a change of shirt and shorts. So I have here my maong shorts, 3 types of t-shirt. So may dalawa akong t-shirt, cotton, and then yung medyo parang silk or other type ng shirt. And then ito, pampatong ko siya kapag nagsiswimming kami. Ayan. So these are the 3, 4 damit na dadalhin ko. I also have here a pack of cyclings, undies, bra, and also my swimwear. So, it's here. Hindi ko ipapakita because naka-peek through yung undies ko. So, that's that. I also will be bringing a nipple tape to protect, of course, my girlies up here. Okay, so I also have here my skincare. So, it has my toner, my benzoyl, my acne cream, my vitamin C, and also my deodorant. And since magbe-beach, I'm gonna be bringing my lotion after maligo. Ayan, medyo dry ang skin. So, I have my lotion here. This is from Bath and Body Works. This is their Japanese cherry blossom na scent. And then, I'm also gonna be bringing a bit, parang hindi naman lahat to, pero like, part lang ng cotton na to. A mist. Etong mist na to is from Bath and Body Works as well. This is the, ano to? Happy Vibes. Ayan. And then I'm also gonna be bringing some makeup. So I'll be testing out the Dazzle Me Attack on Sun Sunscreen Gel. And I'm not sure if pwede rin siya sa body. And then I'm also gonna be trying out this one.
Hello guys, good morning. So it's currently 6:06. So we're now preparing. So this is my bag. This is my biyahe outfit. And this is my another bag. So this bag contains, ay, hindi ko pala kita. This bag contains all of my electronics. Ayan. So, I like to put all of my electronics in one bag para alam ko nandito. So, nandito yung digicam ko, may DJI, and some chargers. So, ayan. So, let's go sa biyahe. Hey guys, we're on our way to Batangas. Tanggal mo. Tanggalin mo maayos. Tama lang naman ah. Hindi ka lang siguro sanay.
Diyos pa yung mga lens mo. Hindi malapitan no?
Sana kami, Evia na. Sa first driver. Si hello. Roar. Si Kuya Makulo. Kami tatlo. Birthday boy. Si Moy.
Sagad. Sagad daw po.
Sige, suot mo. Ay.
Kapag siya.
No.
Gago, bagay naman eh. Siyempre ako to eh. Wala ka lang ilong. Okay na yun. May ilong ako, hindi lang ganun ka.
We ordered some. Kaya mo ka?
May wag.
Donkey!
Iwasan mo itong matamaan at nasasakan ako.
Choro, donkin. Si Kuya Mat. Kuya Mak. Donkin, kamsamla.
Dunkit, Jonathan.
Opo, perfect. Tingin.
Sa tipa na pala ako babla.
Sa Laia. Saan kami pumunta
Thank you.
nila?
Have a good day.
Korean Echo. Lo,
Ayun, donut.
yung
Ay,
donut.
kuya, may kulang. Donut.
We're in Batangas already.
Oh, they have toasted siopaw, oh.
Yun yung mag-
Sayang, lamagpas yan, ah. Kaya ka?
Batangas.
Bakit titipid tayo?
Iba yung sun. Sunkiss yun.
Ay, alam ko na. Mag-Lomi, Batangas tayo.
We're having breakfast in the arm. Di ba ba?
Pitlop.
Tada.
Pitlop.
Coffee, hot dog, and a meatloaf.
Sarap.
Walang rice. Sure. Meatloaf. Basket lang. Hoy. Kami na lang, girl. Gonna buy some, lamig. Some drinks. Lamig. Nakapipot. Siya. Babay siya ng drinks.
Ano ba yung ano? Sa
Sintay ko? We're currently here sa Pure Gold kasi bibili kami ng water and also some drinks nila. Ayan, dito kami right now. Ang lamig so much. So, bumili ako ng yan. Hindi. Tapos bibili kami ng drinks dito. Here now, we're here at Laia Rivera. Mas maganda siya doon sa pinuntahan namin. Sorry. Ng isang cottage.
Ay, bulo ko yung bago. Ano na?
Ayan. So, just gonna change muna. Wait lang. Ayan. Palit na ako.
May kutsilyo ka naman, di ba? Lagyan natin na. Basan mo pa ngayon.
They be making sauce. Saucy. Ganda dito. Wow, so bright. Parang ayoko nang lumabas. Ang init! Say that though, you need to put on sa legs din. Damn. Kita. Shh.
Alam mo, isa malaya, kaya ko yung nakasulat purple.
For winner squad.
Kasi yung sa pilot niya pang purple eh.
Tumingin sa iyong liwanag.
Florida days.
Ganito sa Florida?
Pero doon open beach.
Ha?
Doon open beach.
Hello, we're gonna do some videos for Dazzle-Me's sunscreen. Ang ganda ng beach! Ay! Wait lang! Kasama si Kuya. Dito na lang.
Saan gusto mong
Dito na.
mountainside?
Hello guys. So, I made a video for this product. This is from Dazzle-Me. This is their volume maxing mascara, and they claim that this mascara is waterproof, sweatproof, smudge-proof, and it has a keratin B5 infused. So, hindi ko alam narinig ko, but ang ingay here. But, ayan. It also has a dual dimension brush. So, let's see how well it will hold in our stay here sa Bat. Nagluluto na sila. Ano yan? What are you cooking? Hey. What are you cooking? Yan si Kuya. Si Moy. Patikim. Babad ni Tito Ren. Hindi pa luto. They're cooking, guys. Ang ambag ko lang dito ay ganda. Hohohoy. Ha? Balisong ang peg. They're cooking. It's very, I made video for Dazzle-Me kasi nga meron sila nung SPF Kinemerlo. Ayan, Kuya's eating. And then the birthday boy is making hiwa. Ayan. Let's make some pictures. Isa pa. Uy! We're gonna walk, guys. I'm with the birthday boy. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Walk kami dun. Super init. Powerful.
Hanggang saan yung pwede mo lang uyin?
Pwede lang uyin? May line naman yan.
Ayun nga eh.
Tatampisaw kami. Wow. Akala mo talaga marunong lumangoy. Hindi naman. Init ng sand. Say hi. Super init ng sand. We're gonna tampisaw. Oh, malamig yung water. Saan? Hindi, lumot lang yan. Tada! Kaya.
Dito yung pangliligo ko eh.
Yan, tas ayun si Kuya.
Dito yung pangliligo ko eh.
Hindi, balit din tayo. So, ganda ng ilaw. I'm gonna be tan. I love it. I'm gonna be tan. Papapicture ako. Papapicture din yung kapatid ko. Ay! So init. Yung sunscreen naman ulit. Yun siya. Hindi ko dala yung phone ko. Digicam lang. Hi guys. Ma-picture.
Doon sa kabila para makita ito doon sa kabila. Ito ko saan?
Diba? Demanding pa sa perfect. Kaya na yan. Kaya na. Tsaka mo nga ako, kuya. Diba to? Kapatid. Hello, guys. Okay.
Video to ah.
Ito lang yung browse ko.
Okay. It's so pretty.
Type na. Ganda na.
This is so pretty. Pero super babaw na ng dagat. Dito, sa bulsa ko. Here. Yan. It's so calming. Hoy! Happy birthday! Gigil mo ko. Tapos may something doon. Parang doon kami before nila Echo. So parang hindi, na-move lang kami parang one resort away. Yan. Si Kuya Matt. Kuya Matt is there. Camera.
Boss daw.
Nakasakay na kasi sila dun sa...
Ay! Angas. Hindi na gumagana yung ano nila eh. Napawan.
We're walking around. Ay, nahena. Ay. Ano naman to? Ano to? Beach na to. Liamar. Ayun, may kayak sila, oh. Ayun. So, for low tide na siya. Ito siya.
Hindi naman dito niyo.
Oo nga eh. Nadala na siya dito. Ganda ng araw dito. Pook, saan cave? For Pook. Oh, hindi mo kaya ang natural curls. Oh. Hello guys! Nalagyan ng sand yung phone ko. Hindi siya nalagyan. Nilagay ko. Banding-banding na kami dito. It's currently 5:27. Ito lang narinig ba ako ng mga. Bye-bye! See you later!
Huwag mo kami pakita.
Paano?
Dire-diretso ka lang.
Ay!
Just stop for a minute and just pakita mo kay kuya.
Ay, ba't walang timer? Just stop for a minute and... Just stop for a minute and... Why is everybody so... Ay! Tama ba?
Tama.
Huhuy! Ganun! Okay.
Kami yung serious, acting dahil so mysterious, ganon.
Just stop for a minute and... Why is everybody so... acting so damn... Got a shade that it has and heels so high that you can't even have a good... Everybody look to the... Hindi siya kita!
Okay na yun, okay na yun.
Hindi siya kita!
Ang sexy kasi ng paglikha. Tingnan. Balik na ako dito. Pwesto ko.
Ba't nalipat ka?
Ha? Ay, dito ka rin.
Nag-tiktok kami. Nagapak pa. Ay. Dili mo kayang bundok.
Tagalog ah.
Hindi alam kong Tagalog eh. Bulubundok eh.
Hangin yung loob. Ngayon, nahulog siya na nahulog ulit.
Lomi ako na regular.
Literal na social distancing. Ikaw may regular ka na.
We're gonna eat some lomi. May tugtog. Wala yung mic ko. Lomi. Ito kami nag-i-eat.
Anong lima? Lomi regular. Ikaw ano? Pati na lang tayo girl.